Just want to lace y'all with a little game. Out here enjoying the weather. Gonna give you a little information about what you should do with your credit. Go ahead and get this 100,000 right off the top. That's the whole game plan. Get 100,000 right off the top. It's very easy to do. First, gotta clean that credit. Clean that credit. Clean that credit, and then you get your clean your credit. Put some trade lines on there. Once you get those trade lines on there, let them all hit. And if you got any mortgages or automobile loans, that's really the best thing to have on there. But if you cleaned your credit and you don't have nothing on there, you can work with that too. Just gonna have to start from the beginning. Get you a few trade lines, secure cars, and just rock with that for about 3-4 months. Get you a business bank account, create your LLC, and use all of them in conjunction with one another. Get your trade lines. If you need trade lines, give me a call. I'll give you the list of trade lines. $50 for my list, Cash App. But the roadmap is simple. Like I said, clean your credit, SSN credit. If you want to, you can add a CPN in there. Clean that too. That'll help. You can use that as an authorized joint signer on loans. So instead of doing it by yourself after you cleaned your SSN up, you can have your CPN file as a joint signer with you. So you can do that. Then after you do that, get that LLC, the business bank account. Use that business bank account for 6 months. Deposits, withdrawals, no negative balances. Make sure it don't go into negative. Keep it looking good. And once you go from there, shit, it's really up to you after that point. I suggest you go to the major banks, Bank of America, Citibank, um, Chase, Wells Fargo. Go to those banks, set up an account with all those banks, LLC account, business bank account, use them. Piggyback off of each one, mix it, with this one, that one, do it like that. Hold on, let the car go by. Car go by. Yeah, then go from there. Got your business bank account. Like I said, you can piggyback off each other. Open one account, put 2,000 in there. Go open another one at Chase, put 2,000 in there. Go to another one, put 2,000 in there. Got 6,000 that you can flip back and forth between. Keep using it. Got your personal credit. It's perfect score, 750, 800, 850. If you did what I said, like I said, do it. Clean it first. Don't try to do nothing till everything is off your file. If you need the process to clean your credit, give me a call. I'm going to leave my number in the comments, down in the details and descriptions. Hold on. Yep, I will leave it down in there. And I got the credit repair kit, guaranteed to work. If you follow the script, do it the right way, guaranteed to work. Take you about 3 months. And if you want to do it faster than that, there's a quicker way to do it, but you must have been a victim of identity theft. So, if you have been a victim of identity theft, get your affidavit on the federal website, Federal Trade Commission website, I think it is, FTC website. Fill out that affidavit, get a police report from your local police station, and then take that information, submit it to the 3 bureaus, submit it to the lenders who say you owe them. So, and you submit that in, been a victim of identity theft, 2 to 3 weeks, everything will be off. Simple process. It's educational purposes only. So if you do something other than that, do it on your own volition. I didn't put you up to it, so it's on you. But that's if you're a victim of identity theft, which 80% of society has been. So that's one way. But the other way is write the letters, verification process that I have in my doc, then going through the whole process. End result, if they don't take it off, you can sue them. Reporting negative items without verification. It'll stand up in court. So I have the letters, the whole kit for that. That kit is $150 for that. So you get that LLC, and then just use business credit. That's really the easy way to do it. Use business credit. Business credit is a lot easier to obtain than personal credit. You can buy a house with business credit, cars with business credit. Do anything you want with business credit. Pay yourself through your business using the business credit. Set up your merchant account with your business credit. So now you can receive and take payments. So there's a lot of things you can do by having business credit. And you don't to take payments, you don't even have to have business credit. You can set up a merchant account without having to have business credit. If you want more information on that, give me a call. Text me. Email me. Leave comments in the comments section. I'll see them. I'll get back to them. But even more so, if you're more in a rush, just contact me. Give you the roadmap. If you want the complete roadmap, I'll give you $400. I'll give you the complete roadmap. How to clean your credit, how to add the CPNs, how to make the business bank account. You dig? And get a little roadmap, the trade lines to go with it. So you have an 850 score. Say by the end of this year, 6 months, by the end of this year, you'll be ready. It's about to go down, so you want to accumulate as much so-called Federal Reserve notes as you can and put them in some assets. Diversify yourself, different assets. If you don't know about Bitcoin, you need to learn about Bitcoin. Start using that Bitcoin too. Bitcoin is you could trade in and out of that. What I do with my Bitcoin, I buy silver with my Bitcoin. I take that silver. If I need cash, I go to the coin place. There's a lot of coin exchanges, and coin exchanges will pay you the market value, what they call spot value. So you get the spot value. So whatever's the current spot price, maybe a premium. Some coins, like the American Eagles right now, there's a premium on those. So if you got a bunch of American Eagles, there's a premium on those. So get those. For gold, buy gold. Try to buy you some land. Separate yourself. Separate yourself. But still get paid. Join a family, get you and your family, make an LLC. Everybody go through the whole process in the family. Everybody get a 750, 800 score. Everybody got 100,000 in the family or 200,000. You probably get more than that. If you do it right, know the right places to go. You need lenders, holler at me. You go different places. That's what me and my family doing right now. We all getting our things together, and we're gonna get us about a couple mil. The whole family together. Everybody in the family, 150, 200,000, 8 people together. That's up to a couple mil. We can invest in apartment building. That's what I'm always talking about, apartment buildings. So we 150 each. Leverage. The banks leverage you. So you know how to use leverage. The banks will leverage that $2 million. $2 million, that's you can buy a $6 million property with $2 million. Maybe an $8 million property. They'll fund the rest. You come with the $2 million, they'll come with the 75 to 80%. That's commercial lending. You need to learn about commercial lending. But before we get to that, you gotta clean that dirty ass credit of yours up. That bad ass credit you fucked up. So you gotta get that clean. Get that badass credit clean of yours. And learn how to leverage it this time. Instead of going buying Gucci bags and a new car. You're gonna learn how to leverage that shit this time. Do it the right way. Instead of buying a single family residence, go buy your 8-plex. Stay in one and rent the other 7 out. That's how you leverage yourself. Use other people's money so you can get rich. That's how it go. So that's what you need to know. Then you can change your condition. So it's a combination of capitalism with a little tinge of socialism. But you gotta get the capital. I'm not gonna be too much longer. I'm gonna leave you guys. Just wanted to make a quick video. Give you a quick recap. Clean the SSN. Add trade lines. Create a CPN. Add trade lines. Secure cards on both. If you got mortgages or autos already and you're paying on them, so once you add those trade lines, you'll be faster and more ready to go than the people who have to go from the beginning. Then go to the bank, get that LLC, call your state, see how much it is for LLC, create the LLC, get a business bank account with the LLC, make deposits and withdrawals in the LLC, wait 6 months, create a relationship with the bank while you're doing all that. Wait 6 months, start applying for different credit cards. I prefer going in the bank, creating a relationship. I know a lot of you all like to do it online, don't want to be seen, you're hiding, scared or something. But you better go in, because that's where the money at. When you meet the people face to face, they get to know you and your character. The loan size get bigger. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that. I hope you like, subscribe, share. Just get that paper. Peace to the gods.